Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dadlife.
What's up, dude? There's Get it.
So what do we got going on today? Today we are going to replace the battery on the race car. Let's jump into it.
And by race car, I mean 2008 Honda Civic. Let's see if this bad boy will start up. Now watch. I'm doing a replace the battery video, and it'll probably start up. Nah, completely dead. All right, good. Well, not good, but bad. Has 108,000 miles on it. It's in pretty damn good shape for being a 12-year-old car. Let's get the battery replaced. Alright. Let's see all of its glory. This is hard one-handed. Alright. There we go. This bad boy looks old and corroded, so what do we need? We need our battery terminal wrench, and what are they, 10s? They look like 10s. Alright guys, got a ratchet and a 10 millimeter deep socket for the battery tray tie down, and it looks like it might just swing. It's been a while since I replaced this battery, as you can tell. Let's see. I think this one swings open. Let's give it a go. Let's move that out of the way real quick. Let's not hit the fender. It's all nice and rusty. Who needs that? Let's peel that out of the way. Yep. America. Oh, let's not peel all of it. Alright, let's get all down in there, see if I can do this. There's a little hook down there. There it is. Boom, hook. And we're going to swing it. We're going to swing it. We're going to put it right there, right in the middle out of the way. Let's see if I can do this real quick. Yep. Oh, is it going to get stuck at the end? Let's see. Because I'll show you why. Reason I want to try to undo this all the way is I don't want this to hit the positive terminal when we're hooking up our new battery. Don't want to ground it and ruin my battery or get zapped. So we're going to try to unscrew this. Alright, let's remove this nice little battery jacket. And this is going to be interesting. Let's see if I can do this. Can I do it? Can I do it? Nailed it. Alright. What do we got? Looks like a coffee stirrer. Here we have our nice Duralast battery replacement. Comes with a 2-year warranty from AutoZone. We'll run you about $150, $160 depending where you live, and then you get $18 to $20 back when you return your own wood as a quarter charge. Let's drop this in. Move the terminals out of the way as best you can. Some cars have no play. This car has a ton of play because it's a Honda Civic. Drop it in. Don't crush your hands. Giggity. Battery jacket back on, keep it nice and warm. Honestly, I have no idea why there's a battery jacket. I don't even know if this is a real term, I just made it up. But I figure if Honda has it there, why not? They know what they're doing. As I struggle with this. Once again, the easiest things in life. Hashtag sponsor me. Alright. Maybe I can get a Harbor Freight sponsorship here. Snap-on's too much. Alright, also, make sure your terminals are lined up red to red, positive, positive, negative, negative. Don't want to blow out your battery. Or your car for that matter. Let's see, hopefully that's a good view. Alright. Before I connect the terminals, let's see about getting this bracket oriented right. Swing it. And what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get here? We're gonna get our little hook and our little nut. And we're gonna forget how this goes on, so we're gonna hook it first. Voila. And we're gonna put this back on. It's always fun when people walk by and I'm talking to myself. I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to you guys, the viewers of YouTube and Dadlife. Thank you for subscribing. Now we're gonna get our 10mm ratchet. I'm gonna tighten this bad boy up. Taking too long, just for a battery, it's taking too long. Alright, let's see, nice and snug. Alright, take this bad boy up. Alright, battery's all connected. Nice door last. Let's give her a go, see what we got, Let's go. Ooh. Make sure the radio's down so I don't get copyrighted. Boom. We're back in business, boys. Alright guys, so there we have it. Nice door last battery, 2-year warranty, keep your receipt. Recommend it to keep your receipt in your glove compartment or somewhere in an envelope in the car. That way, if the battery fails before 2 years, you can get a brand new replacement for free. Yo, what's up, dude? There's this. Get it.
Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of Dadlife. Please like, subscribe to the channel. Once again, Dadlife. Ow.